and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we bring to you another back sacada. We're going to do an exercise to improve the back sacada for the followers.
Yes, pay attention on all the details, a lot of tips. You can make it work and join at the milonga.
Before we jump to the dance floor, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell for notification. And if you enjoyed this at the end, a like, that would be much appreciated.
Let's go to the video. Okay, here we are on the dance floor and let's show you this.
Yes. So, we're going to show you the first part of the exercise. 1 and 2 and zack, zadam. And then from here we can go to resolution or any other figure. We can actually rotate or not, but the goal in this one is that we show you the main technique, how to enter into the sacada. The easiest part is to exit. Once you have the back sacada, the rest is piece of cake. We have many options, but the hardest part is to enter properly into the back sacada, and this is what we are going to see today.
Okay, let me explain for the followers. So we are doing a side step and back 8, feet together, and I keep the torso straight without lowering to feel how much he's rotating the position. So pivoting on my left foot, I keep rotating until he moves to the front foot. Don't extend the leg earlier. I angle the heels to send, in this case, the right leg. And this is the position for the back sacada. While we are here on back sacada, let me explain the embrace. If you notice, I'm not here with the hand. The hand is not here. That will be pushing him and not good line for us. So entering the legs, I will extend the arm so I can re-embrace and get very close embrace in this position and keeping the legs in this position. Now, the leg is in back sacada position. Be careful, don't close the toes.
No!
Don't do this. We use the big toe and sliding. To lift the position, I go back without pivoting, 2 feet together, waiting for the leader to rotate, and pivoting all the time on my left foot, ready to walk out on resolution. Big moment for the follower is to keep body weight on your left and feel the leader's rotation always on your left. Don't change from right, left before going to the back sacada.
Leaders, in order to keep her in feet together, because she will have the tendency to start sending little by little her leg out. We need to hold her feet together, and that we do it by lifting. Yes. So if we do this, let us show you. We're going to break this in 2 parts. Backward 8, this is good. Now here's the 2 parts that we are talking. I'm lifting, rotating her, and re-embracing. All this in feet together. So I rotated. I let the rotation, half rotation actually. Can you rewind this?
Yes.
So I'm lifting, rotating, changing the embrace. Wapak. If you notice, I'm here. Now from here, without any lead, I will position my leg and I will do the next rotation. Still, she's up. Once she faces the direction that we want her to face with the ankles, then we lower. If I lower while she's rotating out, she will come and hit our leg or foot. So make sure you're in an embrace. Up, until she faces the direction that she needs to face with the legs, and then we lower a little bit for the back sacada. At this moment, just we bring her back to axis, pulling from the left, surrounding her to control.
For the followers, it's very important to be patient. Why? Because you feel the rotation and you want to go with your leg, thinking that this is voleo or different lead or ocho. So in this case, because you feel he's lifting, he's re-embracing, all the position of he's taking is really different, be patient to keep the feet together. That's the only way it will work. Let me show them this move, which is so important for the followers. We are rotating. I have my right leg in the back. I have to be sure to angle at first with the heels. Be careful, don't send the leg. If you see his legs here, don't send the legs from here trying to get to the back sacada. Okay, this is not good. I have to angle. For example, he's positioning the back sacada for me in this position, in this angle for me. So I have to be sure to do this. Heels are facing him, not the left side of my hip, because I try to do a back sacada here. This is very hard and it's impossible. You want to hit his foot. So angle your heels, and from here you send the back sacada leg. Okay, this is the most important. I know you are in embrace.
Mm-hmm. That requires disassociation.
Yeah, disassociation, but also the leader is going to move to the front. Let's show them in this angle. The leader, look, he's ascending the position from the frame. I will send my leg only with the leader is very much on the front leg. Be patient. Don't send your leg early in this position. Yeah, if he's here on your back, it's hard for you to send the leg and you have to sacrifice your position. So wait for him to be front. Now it's very easy to go with your leg. Very easy when he's really moving to the front leg. Later, be patient to fit together and then wait for him to move to, again, unwind the move.
Yes. So one more time from the other side so you can see something for the leaders. Another thing that I use, and I will face you in a second, is the position of my hand in the second part of the rotation is not high, is a little bit lower. Not too low, but a little bit lower. Let me over rotate here. 1. So you can see my hand. 8. Now I will break in 2. 1. And at this moment, can you see? Let me rotate. Can you see my hand here? It'll go. If I keep it up here in the height of her shoulder blade, she will tilt towards me. I will lower just a little bit closer to her hip. So when I lower and I pull, I send her leg. I'm doing two things. I'm using the palm of my hands, kind of pushing down, and my elbow maintaining the same height. If my right elbow goes down, she goes down with me. So I will use my hand while keeping my right elbow up. Can you see this position? And from here, yes, you can continue or come back like we've done before. There is a little tip, a little secret that I normally use, especially if I'm dancing with somebody that I don't know. Well, if I don't know her, I'm not doing back sacada. That's point number 1. But if it's a follower that I'm not used to dance a lot and I dance with her at the milonga, it's not Miriam, it's not my partner, I will make sure that I lower a little bit the hand so I make sure she does the back sacada and she doesn't kick me.
That's a good tip, very generous. For followers, also when he's doing that, your torso is going to move forward. So if you feel you have to move forward, be careful, don't do it from the head. Don't follow this lead this way. If you notice, it's not good. So we have to move the ribs to the front. I feel my ribs on the toes. When the ribs are on the toes, on top of the toes, then I can send the leg back. If you are here, it's hard to send the leg. If you do this, it's very heavy. Shoulders back, ribs not here, ribs to the front. So this is free of weight on the back leg. So you can slide the leg in and do a back sacada in very nice position. And from here, back to center.
Mm-hmm. If you want to dive deeper in these back sacadas, different ways to exit this back sacada, different back sacadas for the follower and many other for the leaders, we have a very, very, very complete course, actually 2 volumes in back sacadas, so you can master back sacadas.
And this is where?
This is in our website, miriamleonardotango.com, and it's part of our online tango training program that if you are part of it, you can access them unlimited times. And also, if you don't want to be part, you can purchase it separately.
Okay, let's show you one more time with the real dynamic, and then you can do it. Mm-hmm. So we go to the side, and 8 position, embrace, back to position, and we can resolve or go to the next step from here. Mm-hmm. Thank you so much.
Very well done, everybody. Thank you for being all the way up to here in this video.
If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.
We look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.